everyone, this is Julia from Green Umbrella, and today I just want to show you a brand new feature that's just happened on YouTube called the Premiere feature. And I think it's an absolutely fantastic thing. Hopefully Social Media Examiner will be implementing this as well for their channel. But I just wanted to show you how it works. So I've been following this company or these people who have been walking the Camino called World Towning, and basically they went live, but you can schedule a video to go live, but then enable loads of comments and stuff like that. So it's like a live show, but it's actually a pre-recorded video, but then you can be there chattering along at the same time. So this feature is called Premiere. So what I wanted to do is, I've been doing like a Camino talk show. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to implement this Camino talk show with live video. We're using the Premiere feature. So this is how you do it. So literally you just upload a video like you would normally. So you literally just upload the video. So I'm going to grab the video. I've edited a video already for this particular show. So if I just literally click here to upload, it's in my Dropbox. Okay, so if you're doing regular episodic content, then this is a fantastic feature for YouTube. And bearing in mind the big announcement that Social Media Examiner did last week with regards to they're no longer doing long form content over on Facebook, I think this was really good timing for YouTube as well to actually announce this. So you can see this video is uploading. Now what I want to do is make sure it's not going to go public, I'm going to go scheduled. So this particular show I'm actually going to do in so it's not this Friday coming, it's the Friday after, which is the 9th. I'm going to schedule it then, and all I need to do is just click that little button that says toggled, so Premiere, and that will then, and when it goes scheduled and it goes live, that will then enable those comments on the right hand side. So if you're doing a video content on a regular basis and you want to tell people that this content is coming up and you've scheduled it for a certain time, but come on together, let's have a bit of a chat about the video, and it works brilliantly. So, and obviously once it's gone live, it then converts into a regular video like normal. Don't forget, same as anything else, if you're making sure that you're putting in your advanced settings, you're doing your title is something catchy, you're making sure you're adding your tags, your proper description, and also right at the bottom, make sure that you add a custom thumbnail as well. Something with nice big chunky writing to say what it is that you're featuring, and make sure you're getting that eye-catching content out there. So just upload it like a regular video, schedule it, and tick that toggle button there that says Premiere. This is available for everybody now. You don't have to have so many subscribers on your channel. So try it out. I'll let you know. This will be the first one that I do, so I'll let you know how it goes from my channel. It literally notifies everybody that's subscribed to your channel 30 minutes before it goes live, and then literally again a few minutes before, and it will appear in everybody's newsfeed as well. So if you want exposure to your episodic content, then please check out this new feature. I love it. So hopefully it'll work well. See you soon. Take care. See you next week. Bye bye.